This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the update safe. Charge the Galaxy Tab E above 50% or keep it plugged in so the process won't abort. Back up your important data to Google Drive or a PC because updates can fail and you'll want a copy. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and free at least half a gigabyte of storage so the package can download. Then open Settings, tap About Device or Software Update, and choose Check for updates to begin the download. You'll watch the download and verification closely because interruptions cause corruption. Once the update starts downloading, make sure the tablet stays awake and avoid launching large apps or games that spike CPU usage. High load can disrupt installation. The system will verify the package automatically. Let that finish. If the over-the-air option isn't offered or fails repeatedly, connect the tablet to a PC and use Samsung's Smart Switch to download and apply the firmware safely, which bypasses OTA instability. You tap Install and then wait. The tablet will reboot and apply system files. Do not unplug or force power off during this stage because partial installs create boot problems. After reboot, go to Settings, About Device to confirm the new Android version and check that apps open normally. If apps misbehave, clear cache or update them from Play Store. Troubleshooting tip: if the update fails or the device won't boot, connect to Smart Switch on a PC to reapply firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.